Good afternoon, everyone. I've been working on a new thesis over the last couple of days, pretty much over the weekend. And what I'm trying to do here is find stocks that are actually falling over the Bollinger Band's upper band and lower band. The upper band for a retracement and the lower band for a bounce. Pretty much, I am a long bias trader, really. So pretty much what I'm trying to do now with these new presets that I'm working on my scanners is that I'm trying to find a couple of stocks that are bouncing and including a few stocks with higher price points other than stocks that people might consider to be penny stocks. What this new set of stocks are going to provide is a better range and sometimes better volatility. Now, I'm just working on the patterns here and I wanted to show you a few. So I'm really trying a few theses here, trying to see how it works out, but I wanted to run everything by you and just give you a couple of names here. The first one that I'm going to start talking about is H8BT. And the reason why I like this one is because it has a very nice descending triangle formation here. Although it might break and you might say it's a descending triangle formation, so we have a very nice descending triangle formation here. What I like about this pattern here is that if you notice, it has several times that it tested the support. 1, 2, here hovering very close to support, 3 testing it, and then 4 times today. The candlestick that we printed today at the close, although it's a red candlestick, is very interesting. The reason why I like this type of candlestick, although it's red, it's a hanging man here. But it shows me that today it was able to actually test the support and then pull back from there, which I like a lot. There were a few other names that pretty much almost the same thing happened. But what I'm looking to get about this particular name here is to get a little bit of support around the area here to have a nice run up all the way to $12. See if we can squeeze a nice profit over the next couple of days. Now, I'm gonna try to start taking profits around the area of 12.50, half dollar there. And then I'm gonna let it run a little bit more due to that it might break, but I'm gonna start taking profits around the area of the resistance of this descending triangle formation. Also, I wanted to show you OCUL, which is very interesting for me as well, because if you notice this area here around this $3.65 to 75 area is a very interesting area of support. We're hovering around this area now. If you notice, we had a breakdown with a gap down here, but it developed a nice flag here. And now in the last 2 days, we've been in a small uptrend. Today, we were able to get into this pocket. We had a little pullback, but then by midday, it was able to run up again to try to test the area of resistance. So I'm gonna be expecting this name to have a little run up again over the next couple of days. So I'm gonna keep it on watch, but it's very interesting for me. Also wanted to give you that name. We're gonna jump into APA as well. This is a name that is hovering around an area of support, as you can see here, and it has a very interesting long candles right here with a nice range. So what I'm gonna be looking at in this particular name is a pretty nice run up, at least to the high of this particular candle here, which is 30.59. So I'm gonna be looking at this particular name for the a little bounce here over the next few days. I also wanted to show you AQRX. AQRX, if you let me just pull it back for a second so I can show you how the chart is looking. AQRX had a pretty nice support area around here, and now what you can see developing here is a little flag here. What I'm gonna be expecting from this thing is a little run up before it pulls back again around the area of resistance of the high of this candle. But I'm gonna be watching it over the next couple of days. Now, I don't think that I will be trading this name particularly, although it's actually, it took a little bit of support again around the area of the 100 SMA here, as you can see, and it tested the area here again. Then it's been flagging around it, but I don't know if I'm gonna be trading it due to this resistance around here. Now, if we're able to break the resistance over this particular candle here, so you notice here we have a pretty nice range in this pocket here. So I'm gonna be keeping a watch on this one. Again, I'm just gonna keep it on watch. I'm not gonna try to trade it. I just wanna see how it's going to react, and also wanted just to run the name by you guys. So I wanted to just show you the idea behind what I'm trying to do here. And one of the ones that I'm gonna keep a very close eye on is TIVO, and it's due to this pocket. Now, as you can see here, we have a spinning top candlestick. Now, what it's showing me here is that we might have a bounce from this area. We can probably use this spinning top as an entry. If you notice here, we got two candles. Today, when this candle printed, we had a red candle for a little bit of time, but if you notice, during the day, it was able to run up again and turn green. We have a very nice formation here. I'm gonna be looking at this name to see if we can get inside of this pocket, because we have $1.50 on this nice pocket here. We might be able to get a little bit of profits here. So I'm gonna be paying attention on this name here, and pretty much that was gonna be the names that I wanted to run by you today. There's a cheap stock that I'm watching, and let me just give you the information here, although I was not gonna bring you none of these ones. But if you notice this blue candle here at the 100 simple moving average, this signifies a Bollinger Band crossover right at the area of support. Now, after that, as you notice here, we have a big run up, and today we were able to even have new highs. It broke the resistance of this trend here, and I'm gonna be paying attention to it. I like one more chart. I don't like the price point too much, to be honest, but I'm gonna be paying attention to the formation of the chart here, and it's because we are hovering around the area of support. If you notice here, back here, it jumped around this area of support. Bollinger Band crossover again, 100 simple moving average run up, and it was able to push from $47 area, 47 cent area to 67 cents, and then from there, as you can see, we had a pretty nice run up here. But it's hovering around this area of support from back there, and it tested the area of support here again of this candle, and now we developing a little bit of a round bottom here. So I'm gonna be watching this to see if we can break over this 100 simple moving average here, see if we can get a nice profit. Now, again, I don't know about this particular stock. It's too cheap. I'm not too sure about it, but I like the fact that we are trading around the area of support. Bollinger Band crossover back here over the simple 100 simple moving average, and we are trading around the same area again. and this is the reason why I like the formation on this particular chart. If you like what I'm doing, please just post in comments, and if you don't mind, just subscribe to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you.